Hi, I'm Lisa Kohl with Boise Real Estate, here to share with you a quick real estate market update for October 2017. We're going to call this video today the Bubble Edition. As a realtor, I get asked a lot as to whether or not we're in a bubble here in the Boise market. Considering how much prices have jumped over the last 6 years and memories of the Great Recession still in the back of everyone's mind, it doesn't come as too much of a surprise. So, what's a bubble? In short, it's a run-up on housing prices, fueled by demand, speculation, and exuberance. They start with high demand and limited supply, which is the case with any rising market. But then, speculators enter the market, further driving demand. At some point, demand decreases or stagnates at the same time supply increases, resulting in a sharp drop in prices. The red line on the left tracks the supply of homes from January 04 to July of 06, the peak of home prices. Despite a substantial increase in the number of homes for sale over the 2.5-year period, prices jumped $80,000. The green line supplies since prices bottomed out in January of 2011. Today, the high demand coupled with the shrinking supply are driving prices higher, not the speculation we saw 14 years ago. Speculation fueled by bad loans drove prices up artificially. Many of the purchases at that time were second, third, or fourth properties. A good part of the financing was based on low or no down payment loans with complete disregard for incomes and credit scores. Today, the majority of the demand is from real buyers who intend on living in the property. To get a home loan today, a down payment, credit history, and income are required. Investors are only making up a small portion of the real estate purchases. In its simplest form, real estate market is driven by population. In Ada County, the population has increased by 25.27% from 05 to 16. In Meridian alone, population grew over 81% in the same time frame. That is a lot of new demand in both Ada and Canyon County. Home affordability is close to its long-term average. Low supply and high demand will continue to be the primary factors pushing prices higher. Include the Treasure Valley's strong job growth and inbound migration, it's the perfect recipe for higher prices. So, where are prices headed? The truth is no one really knows. The best predictor of future price increases or decreases is the supply of homes for sale. Currently, we are averaging about 2 months' worth of supply. 4 to 6 months is typically considered a balanced market. Unless that changes overnight, we are looking at high single to double-digit price increases over the next 12 months. Over the last 2 years, we've been averaging 8% year-over-year median sales growth. Historically, real estate appreciates at 3 to 4% per year, and we will return to those levels at some point. For a complete write-up of the Boise real estate market and our surrounding areas, please visit us at weknowboise.com. Thanks for joining me.